I came into this class having very little to no idea of what computing is and like how programs are run, but now I'm being given knowledge that I can use in pretty much any industry I go into.
I get to see what I can do. I can make a game with unique graphics. I could design a compiler or an operating system kernel. The freedom to do anything is great. It feels amazing to be able to do whatever you want.
As technology advances, it's already super prevalent in society, and I think it's super cool that the Dottie Rose is kind of like giving women an open door into joining that movement.
Being able to share that experience with students and get more students interested in STEM at a younger age and boost their confidence in those skills is really important to me.
Learning is empowering, and opportunity and exposure changes the way you think about information. I am Dr. Sharon Jones, and I am the founder of Dottie Rose Foundation. Dottie Rose's mission is to close the gender gap in technology, and we do that by integrating real-world applications with technology. So we do summer camps, we do in-school programming, we have high school programming, and we have Girls in Tech Days, all centered around real-life things, and then marrying the technology with it to give girls their voice and confidence in the world of tech. And I've taught here in Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools at Philip O'Berry, and I loved it. I loved every part of being able to work with young people. What I found was the kids really loved to collect information. We just had to find information that was relevant for them. So a lot of the work that I do now in Dottie Rose stems from my time in the classroom at Philip O'Berry, where I was asking young people, well, what would you like to learn about? And we utilize those in the foundation when we're planning our workshops or summer camps.
I also went to Philip O'Berry Academy of Technology. I was in the software development or the IT track at that time. Eventually, I came back and I was a teacher at Olympic and at Philip O'Berry. I taught AP Computer Science. Currently, now I work at the Dottie Rose Foundation and really trying to get more women and also minorities in STEM.
We obviously get to learn a lot about coding, but it still gets to be fun. We have a lot of liberty to do what we want to and have fun with it.
Doing computer science with the Dottie Rose Foundation has been fun. It's been educational, seeing and building new stuff. The lessons are all, I'd say, they're fairly advanced, and you really get to understand them as you read the guides. So they're never too complicated to the point where you can't understand. I like the ability to build stuff. With computers, you get the ability to manipulate the data and memory in any way you like.
So young people go to school, they learn a math concept, they learn a science concept, but a lot of times that connection between what they learned in their class is then not seen outside.
Technology impacts our everyday in all the different things that we do. And here we focus on game development, really enhancing AP Computer Science principles. By making a game and using those different aspects in programming, they really get to see a real-world application of how learning computer science can be beneficial.
What is so important for kids to see is what they are learning, how it applies to something outside the four walls of school. The truth is, when we find what makes our heart go pitter-patter, we build confidence. And when we build confidence, we get excited and we want to try the next thing.